Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a make table action query in Microsoft Access. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create entirely new tables based on query results, which is especially useful when you need to archive data, create backups, or generate report tables from your existing datasets. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin creating your make table query. This process is straightforward, but requires attention to detail to ensure your new table contains exactly what you need. To create a make table action query in Microsoft Access, start by clicking on the Create tab on the top part of your screen. This is where all your tools are located, and it serves as your main workspace for building new database objects. From here, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This will open the Query Designer interface, which is the foundation for creating any type of query in Access. From here, select the tables you wish to create a make table with. A dialog box will appear showing all available tables in your database. Choose the ones that contain the data you want to include in your new table. After selecting your tables, they'll appear in the upper portion of the Query Design window. Now add in the fields to your Query Designer located at the bottom part of your screen. Simply double-click on the fields you want to include, or drag them down to the query grid. This step is crucial because only the fields you add here will appear in your new make table. Now to create a make table out of this dataset, click on the Make Table option located at the top part of your toolbar. You'll find this in the Query Type group. This action transforms your standard select query into a make table action query. A Make New Table window will appear, prompting you for specific details about your new table. Simply enter a name for this new make table. Choose a descriptive name that clearly identifies the purpose or content of this table, making it easier to locate and manage later. Once done with naming your table, click on OK. Now you're ready to execute the query. Click on Run, which you'll find in the Results group on the toolbar. You'll be notified about the dataset that will be pasted into your new make table. This confirmation dialog tells you exactly how many rows will be copied. Click on Yes to proceed, and you'll see the new make table added to your Microsoft Access objects located on your left side panel. Your new table now exists as a permanent object in your database, containing all the data from your query results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.